Welcome to BSc Statistics students. In this class, I explain probability density function, which means definition, and distribution function of a rectangular distribution, which is also known as uniform distribution. It is also called uniform distribution. If we want to define any distribution, for example, a continuous distribution, then we have to define for PDF. And for a discrete distribution, we have to define it for probability mass function. Definition is nothing but just if you write PDF or PMF for discrete and continuous random variables or distributions, right? So therefore now I define rectangular distribution. The rectangular distribution, which means if you consider x is a continuous random variable, x is a continuous random variable with probability density function in the range a to b, yes, f of x is equal to 1 by b minus a, 1 by b minus a in the range a less than x less than b. Then it is known as the random variable x is known as rectangular variable or uniform variable, and having the uniform variable, that is the random variable having the probability density function f of x is equal to 1 by b minus a, it is called in the range a less than x less than b, in the range a less than x less than b, that is x lies in between a to b, is known as rectangular distribution or uniform distribution. Okay, it is written as x follows uniform distribution with the parameters a comma b. Similarly, our rectangular distribution r a comma b. This is what general notation, uniform distribution. Okay, usually in any textbook it is going to be specified as uniform distribution u with the parameters a and b. A, b are called parameters. This is the definition of rectangular distribution. So definition of rectangular distribution. Now I am considering distribution function. So the distribution function of rectangular distribution, it is going to be calculated by the definition of distribution function, it is capital F of x is equivalent to be probability of x less than or equal to x is equivalent to be integral. Here the lower limit of the rectangular distribution is a, upper limit is x, f of x, which means I am considering f of x dx. What is f of x? I specify here integral a to x. F of x is probability density function of rectangular distribution or uniform distribution. It is 1 by b minus a dx. Okay, 1 by b minus a is a constant, therefore the integration is 1 by b minus a multiplied by x between the range a to x. If you substitute upper limit x here, x, and lower limit a minus a divided by b minus a. So therefore uniform distribution function is x minus a by b minus a. This is what the distribution function. And I define for x is equal to a, x is equal to b as well. If you substitute x equal to a, then a minus a, that is 0. So therefore f of x is 0. For x is equal to, f of x is equal to 0 for x is equal to a, right? Similarly now x minus a by b minus a, it is for a less than x less than b. If x is equal to b, b minus a by b minus a, b minus a by b minus a, let cancel, it is 1. So it is 1 for x is equal to b. So therefore distribution function takes the value 0 if x is equal to a. It is lies in between, if it is like x lies in between a to b, then it is x minus a by b minus a, and if x is equal to b, it is 1. This is what you have to explain the distribution function if it is given in the examination. Hope you understand. This is what distribution function, and this is the probability density function, PDF. This is PDF of the rectangular distribution or uniform distribution. And also it is a definition of rectangular distribution, uniform distribution. Hope you understand this. I explained the probability density function and distribution function, and also definition of rectangular distribution or uniform distribution. Thank you.